Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be dismantling the TVO petrol selector tap and sediment bowl. From what I can tell, this tap is in reasonable condition. You can see there's a little bit of dirt in the bottom of the sediment bowl, which suggests that it's been doing its job. The butterfly screw at the bottom here is a little bit stiff, just needs freeing up. I don't think there's anything majorly wrong with it, and already it's starting to free up. I had hoped that it would come all the way off so that I could get everything completely dismantled and clean up inside, but it seems like it's not designed to come off. I think they've milled over the end of the screw thread there. We'll put that to one side and carry on. So this banjo bolt looks to be in very good condition. Just loosen the washer and pull that out. So as I say, this one's still in very good condition from what I can tell. The gauze is relatively clear. It looks to be, there seems to be a little bit of dirt on it, but nothing too concerning. Certainly very serviceable. So I will try to reuse that one. Looking inside, we see that this has the rubber gasket. It should be a cork gasket, although I understand rubber gaskets are now available. I've ordered the original cork gasket and I'll be replacing that. You can see that seems to have been seating very well, but all around here a lot of dirt has accumulated, which does concern me a little bit. The tap itself is very stiff and suggests to me that the washer inside there is probably no good. That's easy enough to get into. There's two nuts, one smaller on top and one larger one at the bottom. Essentially operates as a lock nut arrangement, but it comes off quite easily. These nuts and the bolts are, well, the shaft is made of a brass type material, so you've got to be careful. You don't want to be too ham-fisted with it. You want to just treat it gently, it will come off. And underneath that there's a little spring which just provides a bit of tension to help the gasket inside to seal. That's got a little bit of dirt on it, but again, nothing too concerning. The tap should just slide out. There you go. Oh my, look at that dirt. So this hasn't been cleaned for what would seem to be a very long time. And that rubber gasket, which again should be, or was originally a cork gasket, this rubber one is no good. That is completely dismantled in my hands as I've tried to remove it. But the tap itself looks to be in good condition. The shaft needs a bit of a clean, but other than that it's pretty good. Let's see if we can get some of this dirt out. That's quite a lot of dirt for these small little holes. Have another go. So without the washer in there and the spring and everything holding it, that turns quite nicely. As I said, the shaft needs a bit of cleaning, but otherwise that looks to be absolutely fine. As you'll see, I'm now trying to get this nut off the top. I'm not sure if it's meant to come off, but I'd like to get it off so that I can try and clean inside there. I don't manage to get it off, and actually I decided in the end just to leave it. So that's the dismantling of the fuel, the TVO petrol selector tap. That will now go into a degreaser bath and be soaked and get cleaned up, ready for reassembly, which will follow in part 2. I hope you enjoyed this, and hope that you'll continue to follow along as we continue to restore some of the components on the TED20. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.